This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending March 27th. Let's start by inputting the current balance in the account. So last week I lost $771 in my account, which is a loss of negative 2.35%. And these were the three positions, or the five positions that were held. Each one was at a maximum of 10% allocation, which is half strength, compared to the usual allocation of 20%. And that's because the US equity markets are currently in a bear market situation. When that happens, the system goes half strength. So the first position held was Broadcom AVGO. That one was down 5.5% for the week. And this is how the trade looked. So this is a buy the dip strategy, and it bought this dip and got in here on Monday and lost money over the course of the week and exited here on Friday. The next one is Nvidia, down 5.5% as well. And the pattern looks almost identical to Broadcom's. Entered here, exited here. Third one is Palantir. That was the worst trade of the week, down 6.6. So we entered here and exited here. Next one is Raytheon. That one was down 3.8. And this was the trade right here. And the last one is Tesla, down 3%. And this was the trade. Got in here and got out here. And let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. And this is how the equity curve looks since we went live with this strategy in 2024. So it's not looking too bad given the volatility of the stock market that we're currently in. And let's also look at the performance of strategy over the long term. Here's a back test for weekly reversion going from 1994 to present date. And over that time frame, strategy has an annualized return of 20%. Compared to the S&P 500 benchmark, which has returned an annualized return of 8.5. And year to date, weekly reversion is up 2.3%, compared to the S&P, which year to date is down 7%. So we're beating the benchmark by a nice margin. And this is how the long-term backtested equity curve looks for weekly reversion. And that's compared against the gray line, which is the S&P 500 benchmark. So if you'd like to learn more about weekly reversion, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the stock picks on a weekly basis into your email inbox, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.